so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make cinnamon rolls today. This recipe actually came from a family friend from a few years ago, and we've been making them since then, and they're so good. They're some of the best that I've ever had. I do not take credit for the recipe, but we've made some variations along the way, and so I'd love to share it with you guys. So if you're interested, please keep watching, and if you like it, consider subscribing. I know I'm getting a little ahead of myself with the Christmas sweater and some of the things you'll see in here, but I might not have time to film later. I'm a student, so just hang tight. These cinnamon rolls are really great all year round, whether it's for a Christmas party, Thanksgiving, or just one day in the summer. I highly suggest you guys try it at least once. They're really fun to bring to like a dinner party because, you know, you show up and you're like, there's more to me than my eyeliner. Please keep watching if you're interested, and let's go. Mix it, and you're gonna want to knead it, and then you're gonna want to let it just rise until it's doubled. And now we wait. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it if you made it to the end. That's the recipe. I will write out everything in the description box down below. That way you have it step by step. You have all the measurements, everything that you need. And of course, put your own twist on it, your own spin. And yeah, I hope you guys love them because they're actually so incredible. And so again, thank you so much. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful Christmas. And I hope to see you all very, very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye. Okay, Thanksgiving is important. It is important indeed.